Good day everyone. Our topic for today is all about AI tools in education and communication. This presentation explores how artificial intelligence tools help improve learning, writing, and communication in modern education. Let's start with the introduction. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is now widely used in education. It helps students and teachers perform tasks more efficiently, such as writing, designing, translating, and reviewing lessons. In this presentation, we will discuss 5 AI tools, including their background, features, advantages, and limitations. For the first AI tool, natay Grammarly. Okay. Kaning Grammarly, it is an AI-powered writing assistant developed and launched in 2009. It is commonly used by students, professionals, and educators to improve writing quality. Available on browser, mobile, and desktop, integrates with apps like Word and email. Para masabtan ni siya, no, let's go to its functions, pros, and cons. The functions and Grammarly, no. Grammarly helps users write clearly by checking grammar, spelling, and tone. It is especially useful for essays, reports, and emails in academic settings. Para itong gingon ganihan, no? From the word itself, Grammarly. No? It checks grammar, spelling, and tone. Manong useful gini siya sa mga students, professors, and educators. Ang iyang pros or kanang advantages, it is easy to use, improves writing skills, real-time feedback. Ang iha pong cons or disadvantage, it has limited free version, sometimes inaccurate, and it also requires internet. Di ganin mo siya magamit no og wala kay wifi or kay mobile data.
Canva AI Basic Information is a design platform developed by Melanie Perkins, Cliff Obrick, and Cameron Adams. Launched in 2013, it allows users to create presentations, poster, and other visual content easily. Beginner-friendly interface accessible online. Functions, pros and cons. Canva use AI to help generate designs, presentations, and layouts quickly. It is widely used by students for school projects and reports. Pros: many templates, second, save time, third, easy to learn. Then cons: paid features and needs internet. Google Translate Basic information is developed by Franz Joseph Auf. Launched in 2006, it helps users translate different languages instantly. Supports many languages available on mobile and website. Function, pros and cons. Google Translate helps users understand and communicate across languages through text, voice, and image translation. Pros: pass and pray, easy to use, help for student. Cons: not always accurate, context error, weak grammar, and long text.
Bot is developed by and launched in 2017. It is mainly used for paraphrasing and improving sentence. Web-based tool popular among students. So, functions and pros and cons. Kahoot helps rewrite sentence, summarize text, and improve clarity. It is useful for essays and research work. So, ang function ng Killbot kay magkuan siya, murag imong gamit mo para i-rewrite mo sentence, gikan sa manguha kag mga sentence sa Google tapos imong gamito ng Killbot para i-outro ang yung mga sentence ba pero maoro ya pug kuan meaning ito. So, yung advantage niya is improves writing, easy to use, and yung mga disadvantage kay usahay may change meaning, limited free versions, and kuan over reliance risk. So next kay Kahoot. So it is developed and launched in 2013. It is used for interactive and game-based learning, used in classroom works or phones and computer. So Kahoot allows teachers to create quiz games that students can answer in real time, making learning and more engaging. So Kahoot kay himo siya para sa kuan para maghimo kag mga games or kanang mga quiz games through online and kanang mga para sa kuan mga ang mga ginagamit sa mga maestra para maghimo sila mga quiz sa online sa mga kuan para sa mga estudyante. So iyang advantage niya kay fun and interactive, makalingaw siya og dali ray kuan. Encourage participation and easy for teachers. So ang iyang mga disadvantage kay needs internet, kinahanglan kag na internet and can be distracting and limited question types.
So let us proceed to the comparison of AI tools. So atong i-compare kung unsay kalainan aning mga AI tools, no? So each AI tool serves a different purpose. Grammarly and Killbot focus on writing. Canva focuses on design. Google Translate helps with language, and Kahoot focuses on interactive learning. So if atong buhatan is all about writing, so pwede ta magamit og Grammarly or Killbot. And if we're looking for designs like para sa atong mga PowerPoints or resumes or even letters, so available ang Canva para atong gamiton. And then if natin gustong translate ng mga language or mga words sa nga gikan sa laing language, so pwede nato gamiton ang Google Translate ana. And then engagement, no, of course pwede nato magamit ang Kahoot. So in conclusion, AI tools are very helpful in education and communication because they improve efficiency, creativity, and understanding. However, they also have limitations such as accuracy, issues, and over-reliance. Students should use these tools responsibly and continue developing their own skills. So sa madaling sabi, ang kaning AI tools, of course, gamit kayo ni sa atuan for our daily lives, especially sa mga students and educators or professors or teachers. Pero we also have to remember that kailangan gamiton po nato ato ang own skills, no? I-develop nato atong own skills, our own knowledge, and dili lang kayo magsalig lang ta pirmi aning mga AI tools. So that's all. Thank you.